Chapter 7: Large Aircraft Weight and Balance. The following consist of general guidelines for weighing procedures of airplanes weighing over 12,500 pounds. Also included are several examples of center of gravity determination for various operational aspects of this aircraft. Persons seeking approval for a weight and balance control program for aircraft operated under Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Part 91, Subpart K, or Parts 121, 125, and 135 should consult with the Flight Standards District Office, or FSDO, or Certificate Management Office, or CMO, having jurisdiction in their area.